Here's how to change the oil pressure sensor switch on a Nissan Rogue 2009 2.5 liter, the all-wheel drive S model. If you come in from the passenger side here, you come down, come in from the back of the wheel well, and then you have your axle, and then up behind the axle you have your oil cooler, and then your oil cooler sensor right there. So you got to undo that hook, the clip, pull the clip out, and then get your socket on that rusted bolt there. PB blast it, and then pull it out and put in the new one and reconnect the connector. But that's where it's located. I'd PB blast it. So it's come down. You're gonna have to take the wheel well off and come in from back here. There's the starter and then your sensor.